Hey Jessica, I would be more than happy to talk this one through. We're going to divide using long division here. Okay, and we'll state the quotient and the remainder. So let's do that up. Here's the divisor, 3x minus 2. We're going to do our divide sign and we'll put our dividend, the number that gets divided, underneath. This is all in standard form, right? Those descending powers of x, so that's nice to see. We don't have to do any messing around with that. And we'll go to work. So what we're going to do, let's think about the first term of the dividend divided by the first term of the divisor. Okay, lots of D words there, but basically, what's 6x cubed divided by 3x? So 6 divided by 3 is 2. X cubed divided by x is x squared. We're just using the exponent rules on our x's. And I'm putting my answer, because it's an x squared, I'm putting it above the other x squared. It's just trying to keep everything nice and neat. Okay, so that's the first step. Try to erase that off. Now what we do is we're going to multiply. Well, we're going to multiply by a binomial here, so we have to distribute, right? So each term is going to get multiplied by this 2x squared. So 2x squared times 3x is 6x cubed. It's always going to be the first term here, as long as we multiplied, right? And then we have 2x squared times negative 2x, which is minus 4x squared. And we're going to subtract. Now when we subtract a binomial, it's a sign flip on each term. So I just do the sign flip. Really, it's like subtracting with a bracket, but saves me a step. 6x cubed minus 6x cubed is gone, and here, combining like terms, we're going to have 9x squared. Next, we'll drop down this plus 6x, and we'll rinse and repeat. I'll get a new color because I'm bored of green. What's 9x squared divided by 3x? We can write it right in here if you want. 9 divided by 3 is plus 3. X squared divided by x is x. And we can just erase those marks again, and we'll rinse and repeat this now. And you can see our answer has these nice descending powers of x too, which is good. So 3x times 3x, 9x squared. 3x times negative 2 is negative 6x. But we're going to do a sign flip, remember, so that's subtraction. Our 9x squareds are gone, and we're going to have 12x left down here. Let's drop down that negative 8 now. And we'll run the same play again. What's 12x divided by 3x? I'll get another color here. I picked green already. Let's do like a nice blue. So 12x divided by 3x. Well, 12 divided by 3 is plus 4. And our x's are gone, so that's it. Again, now we'll just run that same play. 4 times 3x gives us 12x. Again, it's always the first term. We set it up that way. And we get minus 8. We'll do a sign flip. Plus plus. And we have no remainder. So our answer, q of x, is right here. It's always the quotient, q of x. That's where that term comes from, the quotient of this function. And the remainder, r of x, there is no remainder. It's 0. Okay, so I hope that helps. If it doesn't, let me know.